Opera House is one of the most iconic buildings in the world. Standing tall at 185 meters with a width of 120 meters, the building was designed by a Danish architect, Jørn Utzon. His design was selected as the winning design among 232 other entries in an international design competition, 1957, bestowing him with a prize money of £5,000. Work started on it 2 years after his win with 10,000 builders employed. Eiffel Tower, built in 1889 in Paris, was the product of two engineers, Maurice Koechlin and Émile Nouguier. It was designed as an entrance to 1889 World's Fair. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. He was also the engineer and architect behind the tower. This iron lattice tower is 324 meters tall and weighs 10,100 tons. Standing tall at 1,250 feet, Empire State Building is a 102-story structure adorning the Manhattan skyline. The building was designed by William F. Lamb. It took 1 year and 45 days to complete the building. It was inaugurated by former Governor Smith's grandchildren, and the lights were turned on by the then President Herbert Hoover, who lit up the building from Washington, D.C. It is a Catholic cathedral which happens to be the official seat of the Archbishop of Paris. The magnificent monument is 130 meters long, 48 meters wide and 35 meters high. The construction of Notre Dame began in 1163 post which it endured destruction and subsequent restoration in many periods. It took its final shape of as we see today in 1345. Casa Mila, popularly known as La Pedrera, was designed by architect Antoni Gaudí for a wealthy couple, Roser Segamon and Per Mila, in Barcelona, Spain. It took 6 years to build the structure from 1906 to 1912. The building occupies a space of 1,323 meters square per floor. The building was criticized for its bold and modernistic design when it was made. The Cathedral of Brasilia is a masterpiece of modern religious art in Brasilia, Brazil. It is the Roman Catholic cathedral serving as the seat of the Archdiocese of Brasilia. It was designed by Oscar Niemeyer. The construction started on September 15, 1958, and the structure was finished on April 21, 1960. After some hiccups and delays, the cathedral was officially opened on May 31, 1970 by The Shard is a 309.6 meters high 95-story skyscraper in London, United Kingdom. The construction of Shard began in 2009 and it was completed in 2012. The Shard was inaugurated by Hamad bin Jassim bin Jaber Al Thani, the Prime Minister of Qatar. A project of State of Qatar and Cellar Property Group, Renzo Piano designed the Shard like a spire-like sculpture emerging from the River Thames. This 829.8 meters skyscraper in Dubai is the tallest structure in the world and one of the most iconic buildings of the world. The building was designed by Adrian Smith and the construction began in 2004 and was completed in 2009. The design of the tower is inspired by the shape of Hymenocallis flower. The building was officially inaugurated in 2010 as a part of Dubai Downtown Project. This 829.8 meters skyscraper in Dubai is the tallest structure in the world and one of the most iconic buildings of the world. The building was designed by Adrian Smith and the construction began in 2004 and was completed in 2009. The design of the tower is inspired by the shape of Hymenocallis flower. The building was officially inaugurated in 2010 as a part of Dubai Downtown Project. The Kaaba is the most sacred Muslim pilgrimage site in the world. This brick cuboid structure is located at the center of Islam's most sacred mosque, Al-Masjid Al-Haram, in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. While performing their prayers, Muslims all over the world face in the direction of the Kaaba. Every Muslim visits the Kaaba at least once in their lifetime as a part of Hajj pilgrimage. It is one of the most iconic building in the world.